Your sister wanted to come in. Look at your sister. She's sitting there by herself. You ain't gonna go give her a hug? Go give her a hug. Hey, go give her a hug. No, go give her a hug. What's going on here? You jumping up like you just saw a ghost. She's just gonna sit there like crazy. Hey, my sister lost her damn mind. What the fuck? It's storming outside. I don't like how the weather is. You look like but it's been raining. Well, I'm good. Just gonna think about it. You stop bumping into me. Yeah, that's very mean, man. Ooh, lightning. The sky looks very dark tonight. There's a little bit of bright in the air, but it's still windy. Meanwhile, the goddamn cat's kicking my butt now. It says it's gonna rain. It did rain earlier. Man, it just stopped. Now it's just quiet and thundery. Lightning flashing in the sky. Just don't know what to do. Meanwhile, this cat here getting on my nose. She doesn't know when to stop. Her sister just gonna walk away. And meanwhile, it's windy. Yeah, lightning everywhere. Basically, the storm. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit in the house. Probably play some games on my phone and I don't know what else. Whoever's watching this, you better watch this because someone's going to us the neighborhood. I don't know. Probably not. You probably have to check the news or check the web channel. I think this. Oh, some states get snow, some states get rain, and probably flood. Right now it's just lightning over here. It was raining. The food's cold out there. Got a heater in the house. Just meanwhile, I got the fan on now. Well, when it gets very cold at night, I had to turn off that fan